Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to find the volume of a cylinder. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. So before we start this video, if any of you would like free maths resources, any cheat sheets, then please sign up in the comment section below. I will leave the link there. Now, the first thing we need to know is what the word volume means. So the word volume means the amount of space a three-dimensional object covers. So we have our surface area, which is the circle, and it's a three-dimensional object. So the second part is the height. So before we look at any questions, we need to familiarize ourselves with the formula. So the formula is pi times the radius squared times the height. So pi times the radius squared will give us the surface area, or the area of the circle, so it's two-dimensional, and then we multiply it by the height to work out the volume of the cylinder. So let's look at our first example. We have a cylinder with a given height of 10 inches and our face has a given radius of 3 inches, and that's all the information we need to calculate the volume. So the first thing we're going to do is write down our formula. So once we have done that, we are going to substitute our numbers in. So we have V, which is volume, is equal to pi times the radius of our base, which is 3 inches, squared, times the height of the cylinder, which is 10. Now we're going to solve this one step at a time. So multiply 3 squared out first. So V is equal to pi times 9 times 10. Then our next step is 9 times 10, which gives us 90. So I put the 90 in front of the pi because typically when you multiply something by pi, you put the number first. And multiplication is commutative, which means that you can switch the order of things and still get the same answer. So for example, 4 times 5 is 20 and 5 times 4 also gives you 20, so it really doesn't matter. So now you can either use the pi button on your calculator or you can use the approximate, which is 3.14. So depending on which method you use, you may get a slightly different answer. I am going to use the approximate of 3.14. So my final answer is 3.14 times 90 gives us 282.60 to 2 decimal places. And since this is volume, we use cubic volume. In this case, it is cubic inches. So this is how you find the volume of a cylinder. You find the area of the base, or the surface area, and our base was a circle, so we used the area for a circle and we multiplied it by the height. So I hope that helped, and now it's time to put your knowledge to the test because it's time for our bonus question. So I want you to calculate the volume of the given shape to 1 decimal place and leave your answer in the comment section below. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos.